The secret to long-term YouTube growth. The YouTube algorithm isn't your enemy, it's your student. It only knows what you teach it. If you train it well, it will find your dream audience and deliver your videos straight to the people who need them most. Just like planting a seed, a YouTube channel needs time to grow. I'll show you 2 key ways to train the algorithm about your new channel. Then, I'll discuss the sapling growth method involving patience and consistency. And no, sadly, the algorithm doesn't have a magic crystal ball, although sometimes it feels like it does. Most new creators think YouTube randomly shows their videos to people. It doesn't. YouTube studies your content, your viewers, and how they react, then learns who else might love it. That means your first few videos aren't just about uploading, they're about sending the right signals to YouTube's recommendation engine. Audience clarity. Think about your ideal viewer like a best friend. Who are they? Are they a 25-year-old learning video editing? A small business owner? A dreamer chasing the digital nomad life? A homesteading lifestyle? Someone dreaming of a more luxurious life? Your content should speak to that exact person, their goals, their pain points, their aspirations. When YouTube sees who watches to the end, likes and comments, it searches for more people just like them. And just like at a party, the algorithm helps you find your crowd so you don't end up telling jokes to the wrong table. So here's how to add information in 2 key areas in setting up your new channel. Add channel tags, which are broad keywords and phrases. Then, use ChatGPT if you need to for a detailed, keyword-rich description of your channel and who would benefit from watching your videos. Videos framework. The consistent topic signal. It's like teaching a dog to sit on command. You repeat it until they recognize it every time. Your channel works the same way. If one video is about YouTube tips, the next about the weather, and the next about cooking, the algorithm gets confused. In the early days, stick to one core theme. Help YouTube say, this channel is about YouTube growth, as an example. That clarity is your first win. Use titles, thumbnails, and descriptions that line up with your niche and the tags in the channel settings. Don't post videos about another social media platform if your focus is on YouTube, for example. If you confuse it though, well, imagine trying to order pizza and being delivered sushi instead. People get confused. The algorithm does too. Use a feedback loop. Watch your analytics. Which videos get the most watch time? Which ones bring new subscribers? Double down on what works. Every time you refine your content, you're whispering to the algorithm, this is the type of video my audience loves. Focus on improving thumbnails, titles, and retention, not just views. The goal at this stage isn't just to get views, it's to learn. After you post, go back and study your titles, your thumbnails, and where people stop watching. Think of it as tuning your guitar before playing your masterpiece. Small adjustments now will make a big difference later. Patience, consistency, the sapling growth method. The algorithm doesn't instantly understand your channel. It's like planting a seed. You water it, give it sunlight, and wait. A few uploads won't move mountains, but weeks of consistent focused videos, that's when the magic happens. Post 1 to 2 videos a week at first. Focus on quality over quantity. Just like warming up before a marathon. Train the algorithm slowly. Post videos in the same niche consistently so YouTube learns your audience. Patience mindset. Here's the truth. The first 3 to 6 months are the hardest. Most people quit before they ever see results. Patience isn't just waiting. It's working while you wait. It's showing up even when no one's watching yet. Remember, every big channel you admire was once invisible. They posted, learned, improved, and kept going. Every big channel you admire was once invisible. Patience isn't just waiting, it's working while you wait. Stay patient, keep creating, and your audience will find you. Because let's face it, if cats can go viral just by knocking things off tables, imagine what you can do with purpose. The next part is about treating YouTube like a business and picking a high-paying niche. It's the next step in your journey to financial freedom.
Some creators earn a high income from YouTube by running multiple channels on different topics. But here's the difference. They don't burn out. Why? They use systems. Instead of hustling blindly, they focus on leverage, quality over quantity videos, and planning ahead for the next few videos. It's part of having a millionaire's mindset, Millionaires don't just work harder, they build structures that work for them. And if you want YouTube to reward you, you need that same mindset. Think of YouTube as your business partner. But like any partner, it needs training. Give it focus, give it patience, give it consistent quality, and it will deliver. Not by magic, but because you trained it to bring you the right audience. This channel's very first video tells you how. Here's the truth. Your videos aren't just entertainment, they're digital assets. Each upload is a tiny employee that works for you 24/7. Your videos can earn a passive income while you sleep if the quality meets audience expectations. Videos don't call in sick, they don't take holidays, and they never stop educating, entertaining, or selling. That's the millionaire's mindset. Build assets, not just output. Now, not all views are equal though. Advertisers pay far more for finance, tech, online education, productivity, and investing than for funny cat compilations. Unless, of course, your cat is giving stock market advice, then you've struck gold. If you want YouTube to pay you like a business, you need to think strategically. Blend your passion with high-paying niches. Love video editing? Teach software skills. Into fitness? Compare wearables or supplements. Obsessed with travel? Layer in budgeting or productivity hacks. Every video should do three things: build trust with your audience, attract the right viewers, and signal to advertisers that your channel is premium real estate. And when the revenue starts flowing, that's when your vision becomes lifestyle. Picture yourself sipping coffee on a balcony, overlooking the ocean, laptop open but notifications muted. Or driving out to your dream cabin in the mountains, knowing your videos are still earning for you. Maybe even flying first class, not because you need to, but because you can. But remember, this doesn't happen overnight. The first months are your startup phase. Stay patient, consistent, and strategic. One video at a time, one smart decision at a time, you're building freedom. So ask yourself, are you treating YouTube like a hobby or like the business partner that could change your life? Train the partner, build the systems, and let your vision turn into views.